1, 2, 3, funk it.
Good morning, happy Monday. We back again with another vlog because y'all know how we do it over here. So welcome back. I got a lot of plans for this week. I need to do a few things. I need to go furniture shopping. I don't know if I'm gonna buy anything. I really need to look into buying something because y'all know it's shortages everywhere, so ain't no telling when we gonna get a couch. That's what we need a couch. So I want to do some furniture shopping. I definitely want to show you guys what I've been searching for on Amazon, like as far as like home decor, and I want to show you what I purchased so far. Really not a lot, but I still want to show you. And then I don't know, we'll see what else we have to do, but I think those are the only two like main important things that we got to do. Everything else, y'all know how this go. It's just gonna come and we just gonna do. Y'all see I put like a little second nose ring in there. I have like a legit first one, which is like the stud, but I'll put like a little second nose ring right here. I don't know if you can see it. I wanted to use this nose ring. That's why I purchased it, because I wanted to use it. But when I was putting it in, it was like impossible. It would not go in. So I don't know, that nose ring, that's just gonna be there for a little bit. I know y'all was like, what is that in her nose? But I just wanted to see how it looked. Like if I were to get a second piercing, would it look right? Like in this position or similar? It probably would. And I would get it to fit like a hoop, like eventually change it over to a hoop, but I don't know if I would want to do that. I mean, what y'all think? Okay, y'all, so I just got done stretching my hair and taking out those braids. Now I want to show you guys what I got from TJ Maxx. I went to TJ Maxx yesterday and I picked up a few things. I really didn't want to, because like I said, I am trying to wait until we move so we can just have stuff shipped there, or, you know, bring stuff over there. But I'm just like, you know what? I can get stuff now and then, you know, sporadically. I'll get stuff now and then get stuff later, get stuff now. And then the stuff that I get now, I'll just pack and bring over there. It's not going to be a lot because we move next week. So I'm not really like pressed about that. This is some wine glasses. We have wine glasses already, but two of them broke. And then TJ Maxx had this one on sale because I guess the box is ripped. So look, it was only $6. It was a glass right here, but I had the lady wrap it up because like I didn't want it to fall out and break. This is how the wine glass look. Typical wine glass, yes, but it's a little bit smaller and it has more circumference. So it has more like a circular shape to it. Then I bought some refrigerator storage stuff. This is, of course, you can get this pretty much anywhere, but they had them on sale for $4.50. Look at that. Yes, $4.50. So I had to go ahead and grab, I think I grabbed 2 or 3. No, I grabbed 2. Is it 2 or 3? This 2. So I grabbed 2 of these. Yeah, so we'll put this in our refrigerator so we won't just be having stuff all over the place in there. You know, just keep getting them as we need them. So I'm gonna also show y'all what I have on my Amazon wish list. I got a bunch of stuff and I'm gonna just wait because I want the stuff to get shipped there. I am going to show y'all like the wish list on Amazon too. Forgot to mention my bubble wrap came. I don't know if I mentioned that in the last video or not, but you can also use this box, you know, use it for like our pictures. We got pictures that we need to be wrapped up, and it's a few more dishes that I believe has to be wrapped up too. Okay, so here is the bubble wrap and it's pretty big. We probably won't need all of this because there isn't a lot that we need to wrap up. We just got to wrap up a few pictures. We got some bottles, of course, that we need to wrap up and a couple more dishes. And that is it. So yeah, I like how it came with like the fragile thing. Like we definitely gonna put that on there because we need to be careful. So I wanted to show y'all what is on my wish list for Amazon. This is all of the stuff that I need to get for the new crib. Don't mind some of this stuff because this is just like my wish list for other things. These are the glass jars that I want. You see the aesthetic that I'm trying to go for. Remember in the last video I said that I was going for black, gray, and white, the aesthetic for the house. I need some storage jars. Like I want our cabinet to be organized. I want our bathroom to be very sleek, especially with our guests when they come in their bathroom and then the guest bathroom downstairs. I want everything to just be so sleek. This is stuff that I can put like on the table. Like this is a good idea. Like you can put like cookies in here. You can put like candies in here and stuff like that. So, and then that can be put like on the kitchen island. So that's a good idea, but I might use it for something else. And then here's another one that matches the similar aesthetic. This can be used for the bathroom. So I'm thinking that this could be like the soap dispenser. And then of course we always have our cotton swabs, and then I have cotton pads too that I use for my face. So this could be the storage for that. And then what else? This doesn't match the aesthetic, but I want to find something very similar to this. This could be for, but maybe it could be in the cabinets, like kitchen aesthetic. Like this could be kitchen aesthetic. I don't know. What do y'all think? Like, because I want to go for this one aesthetic with like I said, the black matte for like the storage jars and stuff, but that's for more of like the bathroom and stuff. But for the kitchen, I don't know. What do you think about this aesthetic? This is more like farmhousey kind of. I don't know if I really like that, but I really like the labeling and like the font of the labeling. So that's that. I definitely want to get some in-home security. Oh, and then this. So in the townhome we're in, we have very small storage for like towels and stuff. You would have to figure that out on your own, like if you were a resident there. So I'm thinking about something in this sort. I really don't like the design of this, but it could be useful maybe. So I'm thinking something like this to store our towels, especially in our bathroom and then the guest bathroom. But I think this would be good for like storage of towels or something in that sort too. And then this is a bread holder that I found on here to go with the aesthetic, because when we buy bread, y'all, like y'all see my Zakiya bread is just in the packaging. Like I want something more appealing, you know what I'm saying? Like it has to all match. So that's a bread holder aesthetic. And then this is a shower caddy. It's an adhesive, so it sticks to the wall in the shower. And then our master bedroom shower, it doesn't have storage areas for soap or anything like that. So we will have to get a caddy for sure. And I don't want those caddies that hang on the shower. That's what we have now. And so when I buy stuff on Amazon, I'll do one of these little Amazon chats and Amazon wish lists. And so you can see me purchase all of my goodies on Amazon. I'm about to make lunch. I meal prepped this week. Y'all are gonna be so proud of me. I meal prepped. Like I meal prepped the whole week. I didn't just meal prep Monday and Wednesday or Monday, Tuesday. I meal prep for the whole week, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and eat my meal prep lunch. I got salmon. Well, actually, I'm gonna show you what I have. For my meal prep this week, I made some veggie burgers and string beans. Look at it, looks good. Of course, with some grilled onions in here. And then I also have some fresh cheddar cheese, I believe, that I'm gonna put on top of that. That's gonna be my meal today, because yesterday I made some salmon with tomatoes and onions and broccoli. That was my meal prep yesterday. And I only had half because a whole salmon is a lot of grams in protein, and I didn't need that much protein just because I was still getting my protein throughout the day. So I only had half of that, and I'll probably eat the other half tomorrow or tonight for dinner. And then I'll still have enough for the rest of the week. And then I'll have this too. I might eat a half of this as well. We'll see. But actually, I'm gonna eat a whole of this because I didn't have protein for breakfast at all. Y'all don't even want to know what I had for breakfast. I didn't have protein for breakfast. I think I want to take y'all to the gym with me today. Y'all know I normally don't do that, but I think that I will, just so you can kind of see like how my workout is, how that goes. And today is leg day, so I know I'm probably going to be going a little bit extra hard just because leg day is one of my favorites. But then again, I'm trying to think, like, should I do leg day because it's only Tuesday and I know I'm gonna be sore. Anyway, regardless, you probably will still be with me when I go to the gym. I'm on my way to the gym, or we're on our way to the gym to do our daily workout. Good morning. It is Sunday and we're doing some pretty good job with our packing here. If you check it out in the background, you see it's a bunch of boxes. It's really a lot of boxes in my closet though. Like, I'm really getting that stacked up. So we are almost finished packing. My mom's getting ready to come over and help pack a little bit. Yeah, so we don't have too much to go. It really wasn't a lot in the first place, but we are making progress. So I'm about to go furniture shopping, really just window shopping, because I want to shop around a little bit first. And of course, I got to get my husband's approval, make sure that he likes the couch or whatever. So I'm about to go do that now, and hopefully I can find something. I have an idea of the kind of couch that we have in mind for our crib. So I don't know, we'll see. Let's go furniture shopping. At the crib from furniture shopping. It was a long run. I actually did 4 stores. I didn't do 2 stores because they were all like in the same area. So I was just like, whatever, I'll just go to these 4 stores. And I didn't find anything that I like at none of those stores. So I'll probably have to go to some stores in different areas, different neighborhoods, just to check it out, and probably try to see if I can find other furniture stores too. So I don't know, we're gonna see how this furniture shopping goes. I will definitely keep y'all updated. I am tired. I'm super sleepy. Just got done eating dinner. I'm about to shower and head to bed and get ready for the new week. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Stay tuned for the next vlog, because the next vlog is going to be the empty townhome tour. So make sure you keep a lookout for that. That's coming real soon. Make sure you give this vlog a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can get the notification every time I upload a new video. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.